a cruise. So if you've ever wondered what it's like traveling to Pisa from the cruise port here in Livorno, we are going to show you exactly how to get there. We're gonna have an adventure with the two toddlers.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright, alright, 'cause I'm free, freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free.
When you come out of the terminal, this bus will take you to the main cruise terminal where you'll catch another bus that takes you into the city. There is a train strike, as Alicia said, going on right now, so we cannot take the train. So this is an alternate way to get there. You would take this bus that I showed you, which is the Livorno shuttle bus that goes into the downtown Livorno. Once you get there, then you take another bus. The hop on, hop off tour bus will take us into Pisa. It says it's about a 40-minute ride there, so we'll see how that goes.
We don't know what it says because it's in Italian.
We just got off the second bus from the cruise terminal to downtown Livorno. If the trains were not on strike today, then you would simply walk to the train station right there from this bus stop and take the train directly to Pisa. But because they are on a strike, we have to take a bus to Pisa, which is about a 40-minute trip. So we are waiting on our next bus to take us to Pisa. Okay, we made it on the bus to Pisa. Okay, so the bus brings you to a big parking lot like this, drops you off right there, and they tell you to be back in 2 hours. And there's signs that say Pisa Leaning Tower this way, so we walk. Not too sure how long the walk is, but we'll find out. And that bus was bumpy. It's manual, so every time you shift a gear, the whole bus shakes.
It's like whiplash.
And whiplash, yeah. And there's tons of roundabouts and stopping and going. Everyone's bus sick or car sick, motion sickness. From the parking lot, it deads end, and there's no more signs. Everyone's walking that way, so I think we should go this way. It would be nice if there were some signs.
If you come to Italy, don't ever rely on signs. There are none. The only reason that we know where we're going is just because we're following the crowd. So hopefully they know where they're going.
That's the end of the sidewalks to one of the most popular tourist attractions in Italy. So now we're just having to walk down the middle of the street. The reason the bus could not come into Pisa is because buses are not allowed. They have to stay in that parking lot. So they tell you the bus takes about 25-30 minutes. It actually took us 1 hour. So keep that in mind. And he is very car sick.
I know they say congratulations sick today from the bus.
Yeah, so we're sipping on some Sprite to make your tummy feel better, right?
Yeah.
You're so sweet.
Not so fast.
All we wanna do is have a good time. I'm really loving the vibes. Feeling so free and alive when I'm outside. And if you want to rewind, it's the summertime.
Here's all the people taking their Leaning Tower pictures. All right, we found a nice shady spot. We're just gonna chill here and let the kids run around in the grass. right here is called the Camposanto. I believe I'm saying that right. It's a cemetery that was built in the 1200s. We just had a little mini meltdown in the lawn because we had to leave.
It's tough being a traveling parent of toddlers, you know. It's like, yeah, I need like a good glass of wine, I think.
We found McDonald's. So we are at McDonald's waiting on our food. If you're interested in what McDonald's serves, go check out our day 4 in Italy. We did a McDonald's Italy review, and we got basically wanted everything on the menu. So go check out that video if you're interested in what McDonald's serves in Italy.
Never done that last time.
In Pisa, you do have to watch out for the scammers. They are everywhere. Kennedy got the seal she wanted. Out of all the Beanie Baby toys, that's the one she wanted. She got it. Is that good? Cheesy fries. And this is a extra large snack wrap. We used to have these in America and they took them off the menu. All this was $20, by the way. All right, we're just walking back to the bus now. So if you're on a cruise and you're cruising to Livorno and you're looking to get to Pisa and the trains aren't working because they're on strike, now you guys know how to get here. Be careful, they don't take no for an answer. Okay, we made it back to our room finally. Kennedy fell asleep in the bus. Conrad fell asleep for a minute. I fell asleep for a minute. We're all very, very tired. That was a lot. But we're glad we did it. And now we are just going to hang out in the room for a little bit. This is our last night. We have about $150 left in arcade credits that we have to use. So we're probably going to go do that. And we have about 4 free gelato coupons that the staff has given our kids, so we need to go redeem those. And then we're probably going to go to dinner and go to bed early tonight because we have a flight tomorrow to Iceland. So if you're interested in our trip to Iceland, make sure you keep following our YouTube channel and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and hit that like button for us.
Okay, so we just kind of had like a bizarre situation. Our kids are being crazy right now. So we called guest services because we're wondering what time we need to book our ride from the cruise port to the airport tomorrow because our flight doesn't leave till late afternoon. And so I called, oh, here they are calling me back, guest services. Okay. That just needs to be done by 8:30, and that's when I need to be out of my room. By 8:30. Okay.
Hold out your hand, yeah. Every day you're with me when I think I can't stand, yeah. You got big things coming.
You give me a bite of yours, and I'll give you a bite of mine.
If you're a Cake Boss fan, you will like the Bake Shop, which is right on the other side of the gelato shop. This, of course, is an extra charge and everything is priced a la carte. What a beautiful last night of this cruise. We are so excited. Tomorrow we're starting a new journey. We're heading to Iceland. The last ones on the ship, they even called our name over the PA system.
Bye. Norwegian escape. It's about 9:15 and we were literally the last ones off the ship. They were calling our names over the speaker system, but I will say I called guest services last night and I asked what time this needs to be done by 8:30, and that's when I need to be out of my room by 8:30. Okay, out of your room by 8:30, but then you can still use the ship facilities. So I said, okay. So then this morning they get this announcement. They're like over the loudspeaker at 9 o'clock speaking our names, and we are the last ones on the ship. So that was obviously not correct.
We are boarding our 5-hour flight to Iceland. Make sure you go check out our YouTube videos from our Iceland series. There is 5 episodes. Thank you so much for watching, and what an amazing cruise this was. See you on our next adventure.